Today, let's talk about branded merchandise, which is what I am wearing right now. So, this is from Jessica Stansberry's store. And if you haven't heard of Jessica, how could you not? We've done a ton of collaboration videos on here, and she is one of my favorite guest speakers inside of Planner Academy's Boss School. So, I will leave a link to her video where she talks all about the merch store, how she set hers up, if this is something you are interested in as well. But today, we're going to talk about 4 reasons you might want to create branded merchandise and how to do that. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. So today we're going to talk about the 4 reasons you might want to have some branded merchandise. And this one is from Jessica's Stop, like I mentioned. So this was, let's just go over the pricing really quick, $21.49, and it's a size large though. I probably could have gotten a medium. I am going to throw it in the dryer after this video, see if it shrinks up a little. I don't know. Sometimes you know how when you have a large size, it like maybe is a little bit more expensive. Maybe if I had gotten the small or the medium, it cost less. I didn't check that out, but $4.49 for shipping, $1.42 for tax, for a grand total of $24.18. This came so quick. It was here in like 2 days, maybe 3 after I ordered it. And that is USPS versus I ordered something off Under Armour, which you would think is a huge company, and it came USPS. It was free shipping. However, I don't know if they sent it media mail or what happened. It's been 3 weeks and I still don't have it. And I know you're thinking, where is it? So the tracking just says on its way. That's it. I don't even know if it's really on its way. There's no tracking number. It's very bizarre. I had no idea what this was. So somebody else, Ben, opened this already, but that's okay. It came so fast. That's why I was like, oh, it can't already be here. So here's the shirt. It's very cute. And yes, I will just wear it for you. Anyways, let's talk about the 4 reasons you might want to have branded merchandise. So the first one is I did a couple unboxings. One for Funnel Gorgeous had a VIP session, and Marisa Murgatroyd for her Live Your Message Live. So I'm sure she ordered all of those to her own facility, packaged them into boxes, and then shipped them out to customers. So if you have a high ticket offer, or you're offering a VIP swag bag, or maybe you have an event coming up and you would like to give out branded merchandise, that would be a great idea. That isn't necessarily drop shipping because all of that comes to you. You have to order those in bulk, say 50 or 100 or 1,000 or something, and then that's how you package it and send it out. The second way is Jessica's way, which is having a merch store. And a merch store is usually for someone who already has a huge fan base, but also does not need the revenue. So a lot of times when people think of drop shipping or offering branded merchandise, they're like, oh my God, I can make some money from this, right? But it takes a while to set up. It takes a while to source those products. And there is customer service anytime you deliver products, right? Like, I'm totally fine with this large. I'm not going to return it. But maybe somebody else who was really expecting a high quality shirt that fit very well would have been upset and would want to return it and then try to get a medium and then be upset that they had to pay for the return, right? So there's all these other customer issues or service issues that you need to consider on whether or not that's something you want to tackle. And with the vendor that Jessica chose, all of that is handled by them. It's kind of like she just throws it over the fence and they take care of it. I don't think she even sees the emails that come back. So this is also another option if that's something that you'd like to do. Now, the third option is someone who is like Jessica, has a huge fan base, but they would like to use this as an opportunity to monetize an additional or maybe their first revenue line, or make it part of their income where it's really helping to build that business. Now, that is totally different. That's something you'll probably want to use drop shipping. So you'll probably use Shopify, BigCommerce, or Easy Store as your front end. And then on the back end, just so you know, those shops have integrations already built in with a lot of different drop shipping locations, like maybe Wish or Alibaba or other services that you've never even heard of, where you can pick out some products, throw your logo on them, and then add them to the drop shipping store. However, you are going to do a lot more customer service. You're going to have, if someone has an issue like me, like with my Under Armour face masks and I didn't receive them, and I put an email in. I'm like, it's been 3 weeks. Where's my product? You're going to have to figure out where that product is. Is it a problem with the manufacturer? Is it a problem with the person that's printing the logo onto that product? Is it a problem with the fulfillment center? Is it a problem with the ordering system, right? Or is it a problem with the customer's address? Maybe they entered it incorrectly. So all of that work has to be done by you if that is something you would like to do as an additional revenue line. So I think it makes total sense why she didn't. Like, if I was going to do that, I definitely would go the merch way. However, if you think about it too, maybe sometimes doing merchandise just doesn't bring you joy. Like, I don't want to create merchandise. It wouldn't bring me any joy to sort of be in charge of that, be pushing that out, be marketing that. It's just not something that I'm interested in. Now, the fourth method is for someone who is purely going to have a drop shipping business. So what does this mean? This usually means that you are product agnostic. So the difference between option 3 and option 4 is option 3 is a lifestyle vlogger, and maybe you're a mommy vlogger and you're going to curate all these great products for a mom that you talk about on your vlog as something that's essential, something they definitely need, something that's going to save them time and improve the quality of their life, right? So you're enhancing that customer experience. Whereas the fourth option, where you are product agnostic, means like, I have zero interest in children's toys. However, if I wanted to start a drop shipping business that is purely profitable, I would pick out the best product, whether that's a children's toy, it's a mommy toy, a mommy gadget, or it is something for men, a shaving kit, or anything that I know has a very low cost and a very huge selling price. So there's a really nice big profit there. And so I'm just going to go about either ordering those in bulk from a supplier in China and working with the fulfillment house to get those out and into the world, either through an Amazon link or through Amazon Handmade or Etsy or something else. Or I'm going to open up my own shop and just have it be kind of a generic, I don't know, like a Target type of store where I'm just curating a bunch of products that I know are going to be profitable kind of within that niche. So these are two very different reasons, I think, to start the drop shipping with, and it's the same method. You're going to do Shopify, you're going to find something on the back end, right? And so all of those different models apply to different people and what their goals are. So that's why when some people ask you, and they say this all the time, like, which should I start a drop shipping store? Should I not? And they say it depends. That's really what they're talking about. So let's just review those 4 options again if you're really excited about branded merchandise. The first one is you can just order a bunch of stuff in bulk from some of those imprint, like a lot of corporations use this. I ordered these all the time. I think 4 Imprint is a big vendor that does this. You just pick out pens or notebooks or like basically what they call tchotchkes from the catalog. You have your branded image on there. You go with their minimums, whether it's 50 or 100, you ship them to yourself, repackage them, and send them out for a special event or to special VIP clients. The second option is what Jessica did with the merch store. I won't go through that because she did a really great job in her video. And then the third option is you would like to have this as a revenue line so you could actually make some profit in your business for this because you want to build off the fan base you have. And the fourth option is you are product agnostic. You don't have an audience. You just want to start a drop shipping business. You're going to look for the most profitable products out there so that you can start selling them and making a buck on it. So those are basically, in my mind, the 4 reasons why you would ever have branded merchandise and the only reasons why it would make sense to start a merchandise store or do drop shipping or order any branded items. Now, having said that, when I said that I'm really not interested in any of those, like I mentioned, the only one that I am going to actually do is the Jessica method, and that is only for the Cozy Escape Book Club, and that is because we have members in there who have asked. Now, we don't have a huge fan base. There's about 600 members in there, but we just created, well, we didn't create, Sarah Kill, who is very talented and very amazing, created this cute logo for us, and everybody loved it and was wondering if they could have merchandise. So mugs, t-shirts, pens, whatever. So we're going to set that up so that they can have it just to enhance that experience. It's not something we're trying to make money off of. It's not a revenue line for us. It's just something to enhance the experience of everybody that is in book club so that they can enjoy it a little bit more. So that's also another reason to do it as well. All right, I hope this sparks some ideas for you. Let me know if you have any questions on vendors or stores or how to get started. But again, I think if you're not really passionate about any of those 4 areas, then just forget about it and do something else. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys later.